give me a really good feeling all day long. Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be doing Amazon unboxing, right? We just have a few packages here that we're gonna unbox. So yeah, yeah, that's it. So got a little scissors and a knife to open the packages. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to do. That's why I spend my life with you.
Welcome to my Amazon unboxing video. So this right here will be the first package that I will be opening. I really hope that you guys will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like the video, to comment, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if there's something that you want to see me talk about, you can always go ahead and drop that in the comment section and I'll try to talk about that, or if it's something to do or whatever. Anyway, so this is the first package. It's just a shower head because the apartment has a shower head that, you know, you can't take it down like the ones that are removable from the wall, you know, like those handheld showers. This is just me scooting a bit closer to the camera so you guys can see what comes in the packaging. So this is the hose to give it flexibility so that you can hold it. That's the part that will attach onto the wall so that you can take down the shower head and you can put it back up. And OMG, my fingers are so white, like, you know, like when you handle lotion. I realized I decided to get me some lotion that really quickly so that I can continue video. I mean, I could have edited this part out, but I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna leave it in the video. And so I left it, you know, put a little on my elbows because that part tends to get white too. Like, the air is really dry in my point of view, so I have to keep moistening my lips or using some lotion on my hands. So yeah, this is a shower head. It's pretty broad, and of course I bought this one on Amazon. So let's just put that back in the packaging and put it one side with the other stuff so that we can move on to the second packaging. Right, so the second packaging, I believe it is a knife set. So that's what it is. I had one of these back in Jamaica, but it was, I think it was more pieces than this one is right now. So I had to get something similar because I need like a good knife set so it can make cooking way easier. Like, you know, the proper tools makes the job get done like much faster and whatnot. So yeah, this is just me taking out the knife. And can you believe that this is like really starting over? The whole ideology of packing up, moving from Jamaica to Canada, you have to buy a knife set all over again, right? So I really liked how this knife set turned out. And if you guys are interested in, I don't know, any of these products, I guess I could just put the link down in the description so that you can check it out on Amazon. This is by no means a promotion or anything. I just had to get these stuff for, you know, like necessary everyday use. So I decided, hey, why not make an unboxing video to show you guys what these stuff are like. So that's exactly what's going on here. So that's just me unboxing the knives one by one. And yeah, I think I'll stop talking for a little bit and put a little music so the video can, you know, continue. Hold up, I gotta cut the music short right here so I can tell you guys what this is. This is a computer chair that you can tilt back up to, I believe, 90 degrees angle. And you can also, I don't know why I use a knife so handicapped looking. Oh, there's a little subscribe button at the top. Please remember to subscribe, guys. Yeah, I know I say this a lot, but yeah, it would be nice if you guys would actually subscribe to the channel. You know, it's a little motivation to keep making videos because I feel like nobody's watching them. And for the few persons who do watch the videos, I just want to say thank you guys. And Yeah, I really appreciate it. So this is the chair handle right here, and this comes in two pieces. So that's the first piece, that one is the second piece, and I don't know why it was so tiring unboxing these stuff. I don't know. I guess it should have been something exciting, but it was just tiring because of the amount of garbage that comes off of it. And then you have to separate the garbage, take off the labels and all of that stuff, and put them in like three different garbage, recycling, whatever. Yeah, so it's a lot of cardboard, a lot of styrofoam, a lot of plastic, and it's just crazy. But I'm going to continue the music right here because I don't want to be annoying. And then I just thought, why not give you guys some music, the video, and a little story time. Well, not really a story time, it's just my experience so far in Canada. Alright, so first thing is adjusting to the time, because the time here is 2 hours behind the time that I'm used to in Jamaica. So I don't know, I used to just like go to sleep early in Jamaica and then wake up in the night and do whatever I have to do when it's quiet, you know, like whatever work I have to do, I just normally wake up and do it in the night, then go back to sleep. I don't know, I find that way more productive for me. This thing in my hand, I later found out that it was what's used to control like the chair tilting back to the 90 degrees angle and going up and down. And this right here is the foundation for the chair, and then the wheels will get attached to that. I will show you guys the wheels very soon. Right, so as I was saying, and then the other thing I have noticed with the temperature in Vancouver side of Canada is that one day it's really hot, another day it's really cold. Like the climate is so bipolar, and outside will be very gloomy and it will look rainy and no rain falls, it's just freezing cold. But I just try not to go outside unless I have to, so that's also there to consider. The other thing is like adjusting and trying to find new food to eat, and I don't know, I find that really hard because, you know, I could just go buy some tomatoes in Jamaica or some sweet potato or something. Up here it's, I don't know, tomatoes, they look weird, like they're not tomatoes that you pick up at like off a tree. They're probably lab grown, like GMO. And then if you want to get some sweet potatoes, there are so many to choose from. Like I don't know I don't see the ones I normally eat, or maybe I'm just looking in the wrong places. I really do not know. So I am almost finished with unboxing this box. So yeah, it's just another garbage. And the other thing is to keep these boxes for 30 days in case you have to return any of these items, because if you don't have the original box then you can't return it. But the thing is that in Jamaica, I just normally just throw the boxes away same time because, oh, these are the wheels, yeah, because I can't return it from Jamaica. Like the money it would cost to return Jamaica, might as well just keep the product and make good use of it. Anywho, right, this is the wheel as I was saying before. I'll show you guys the makeup of the chair in the ending part of the video, and I'm really glad that I was able to cut this video down to like 21 minutes or thereabouts, so it's not too long, you know. This is also a part of the support for this the chair. I got this chair so that I could be comfortable studying, because I'll be doing a master's program and it is very serious. So I will also make another video on that for you guys, tell you about the whole process of getting a Canadian study permit, applying for school, the whole process, like everything, what you need, police record, proof of funds, acceptance from a DLI. I'll tell you what a DLI is, designated learning institution. I'll make a video on all of that. But yeah, just remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. This right here is a lot of garbage. Like, it's good packing stuff to keep the stuff in place so that it doesn't get damaged, but then the dispose of it can be really annoying. But I'm very happy Oh yes, wait. You have to take your vitamins, guys. Like up here, the sun will just go away for a long time, and you need vitamins, like vitamin D. Sorry, to make sure that you're getting where it is lacking. I don't know what I'm saying, yeah. Just know you need vitamin D so that when the sun is not out, to give you any vitamin D, you can get vitamin D. As I was saying, in some places you have to pack up the cardboard boxes in your car and bring them to the city recycling facility. But I'm very happy that the apartments that the apartment complex, they offer like that, so they will bring it there for you, or the garbage truck comes for it, so I don't have to worry about bringing it anywhere. This right here is a Vicks vapor rub to make sure that whenever the time get cold and I have to like put some thing under my nose to make the stuffiness go away, can go away. And the other thing right there was a face cream to go on my face to help like removing spots and stuff like that. My hair, I don't know, these braids are so annoying. I have them in like for a month and 2 weeks, I think. I have no idea, or probably it's less than that, but I want to take them out so badly, but I can't bother to comb my hair. But I will have to bother because I do not want to go to those hairdressers that I've seen so far, and I just don't like sitting for too long with anybody in my hair, so I'll just have to do it myself. But I'll try to hold on to these braids a little longer. Moving on. Yes, so this is a pot set that I ordered on Amazon. At first it looked really nice and stuff, but it was a bit too light for a stainless steel set, and upon further investigation the pots appeared to have been used. You know, like when somebody orders something, they use it, didn't like it, and they send it back. So it seems like this is one of those packages. Ended up intend to return it to Amazon, and while I unpack this pot set, I will just add some more music here. I'm sorry, I'm just used to a pot coming with the covers like intact with the handles already attached, but that wasn't the case here. That's just me being, you know, extra careful with the covers so that they don't get scratched or anything. So these are the handles that came with it, and these should be screwed on. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's actually 3 of them, show that to you guys, and put them one side so can deal with those later. That's a very huge, like in terms of the width, rubber band, and that's more waste cardboard. Toss it to the side, flip my hair back, and that's a pot. That's the deepest pot that came in the set. But is it? I don't know. It just looks small, but anyways. And then that's another pot in more bubble wrap. Toss it to the side, show you guys the pot, and put it on one side. Yeah, just make sure it doesn't fall over. Take out the cover, show you guys that the box is empty, show you guys the design of the box and what actually comes in the box. Toss it one side like the rest, and then show you guys the whole amount of pots that came out of the box. Yeah, that's it for the pot set. So this is me getting up to open the other package because it is a bit huge and heavy and requires a little bit more effort than the others, right? So I needed a table to study with too because I didn't have one, and because the apartment was empty and had to wait until Amazon delivered the stuff. So for the past few days it's just been like going to the lounge downstairs or sitting on the bed or sitting on the floor because the place was empty and like I don't know where to go and shop for anything. So Amazon it was. So this is me trying to open the package. I was happy that they came. Like, the other thing I noticed with Amazon in Canada, if they say they are bringing the package tomorrow, it is coming tomorrow. Or they say they're bringing today, it's coming today. Well, that has been my experience so far. I don't know about anything else. And like, they deliver their stuff really quickly, and they will even bring it to your apartment door, or they will even call you to say that we're here, and they like update everything on time. Okay, this is not the table, this is the bar stools, right? Because there's like a counter area that you can sit and eat, and the price for a single bar stool didn't make any sense. So, and I wanted to get two of them, so instead of buying like a single one, I looked for a pair on Amazon. So this is the pair of bar stools, and these are the different parts. I would say that this was a good packaging because it didn't come with too much like unnecessary waste like the other packages, but yet still it still had waste, you know. But it worked out, you know.
It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is running riot. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So that is basically the end of it as it relates to unboxing, unpacking, unraveling the bar stool parts. So I had to like block out the information like with the label, so my address wasn't showing, stuff like that, you know. So yeah, I'm laying down because unboxing it was a bit draining, but nonetheless it was just a short little lay down on the floor. Alright, this is the table that I had told you guys about earlier. I don't know why I look so awkward using a knife, but yeah, I got the box open anyway. Right, so I've always wanted like a nice study table, so I guess this will have to do for now. Well, this one is nice too. It's L shape, and instead of the, you know, the middle part being like a blunt edge, it's curved, and I liked that about it. So it came in 3 different parts, like 2 rectangles and a like a little triangular looking middle piece with a circular edge. You guys will see that, but yeah, these are the parts for now. Another interesting thing to mention is that most of these parts, they come with like letter or numbers too, so that the instructions can be a lot easier for you to follow when like assembling the different parts. So these rectangle boards were a little bit heavy, but not so heavy, but you know, yeah. So that's just me putting them to the side so that I could just take other stuff and put the box one side. And trust me, when I was finished unboxing these things, it was like a lot of garbage, like cardboard and stuff. I don't know like anything to do with them, so I guess I'll just put them in recycle. So that's exactly what I'll be doing, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching the video. Oh wait, like in the end I'll show you the video with the chair, the table, and the bar stool. As I was saying, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends and families and everybody. So this is the table right here. This is the chair when it's finished setting up. Of course I did have to get some help because, you know, because if you know, you know. Anyways, yeah, so this is a chair, that's a table. You know, it looks a bit studious. You know, we should give the vibes to get more work done. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, these are the bar stools, and yeah, I'm going to wrap up the video right here. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video, so do take care.